crispy shrimp, creamy sweet heat, and that bang bang sauce you'll want to put on everything. Let's do it. So the first thing we want to do is make our sauce. So here I have a half a cup of mayo, and you can use your favorite brand, a quarter cup of chili garlic sauce, about 2 teaspoons of sriracha, and I have a tablespoon of honey for sweetness, a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, and I have a teaspoon of cayenne, and you can use more or less if you'd like, and for maybe not quite as hot, you can use paprika is great as well. And salt and pepper to taste. And you're just gonna go ahead and mix it together. Very easy, just like so. Give it a little taste here. Creamy, spicy, delicious. Let's go ahead and set this aside, and then we will get our shrimp frying station set up. So here I have a pound of shrimp that's been peeled and deveined. And the first thing you wanna do is you wanna soak them in buttermilk. I have about a half cup or so. And I'm just gonna let it soak for a few minutes. You don't have to do it very long. And then we'll batter them up. So I have my shrimp here soaking, and I have 3/4 cup of cornstarch. And I also have, for my seasoning, I'm using a tablespoon of cayenne pepper. And you can use paprika to make it milder, but I definitely like it more spicy. And salt and pepper. And I just kind of mix it up here to get it consistent. All right, got this mixed. Next, for each piece of shrimp, you're gonna wanna tap off as much of the buttermilk as you can. You just want them to be kind of damp. And give it a nice coating in cornstarch. And just set it aside until we're ready to fry. When you're ready to fry up the shrimp, get some vegetable oil, about 1 inch or so, into a pan here. Go ahead and set it into your hot oil, like so. And you really only need about 1 minute per side with the shrimp until the shrimp gets nice and crispy and cooks through. It's been a couple minutes here and they're nice and crispy and turning golden brown. So go ahead and remove them from the oil and set your shrimp onto a paper towel lined plate. All right, I got all my shrimp fried up and drained. So the next step, last step actually, is to just go ahead and add all of your shrimp to a bowl. And we're just gonna toss it in the sauce and get it nice and coated up. And I'll use this whole thing, but you can save a little bit on the side of the sauce, the whole bang bang sauce, to use it as a little bit more of an extra dipping sauce. But this is it. Let's just toss it up, get it nice and mixed. Oh, look at that. Smells delicious. Get a nice tossing here. Look at that, creamy, saucy. It looks delicious. So when you're ready to serve up your bang bang shrimp, I like to do a simple garnish. I have some chopped parsley here for little bits of green color and fresh flavor. And I know you'll be shocked to know that I like to use some spicy chili flake on mine. Just a little bit. And I present to you bang bang shrimp, my friends. I love to serve mine as an appetizer, kind of like you get it in a restaurant. You can serve it over a bed of greens or lettuce. You can actually make a great sandwich out of this. It's pretty awesome as kind of like a version of a shrimp po' boy. Yum, one of my favorites. And also you can serve it over rice or with noodles and make it a sort of a balanced out meal with some veggies. And you can also print this recipe with full details at the website at chilipeppermadness.com.